All right, guys, we got the Braun all-in-one 5 trimmers, an 8-in-1 trimmer. We're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing and take a look at everything in there. Let's see. I think like that. Just slides out. Okay, let's put the box aside. All right, of course, you got your booklet. Oh, cool. It comes with a bunch of different attachments. You got your charging wire. Looks like some type of trimmer attachment. Comes in a really nice like canvas style traveling case. Take a look at the actual trimmers. Okay, there's the trimmers. Has a pre-installed guide on there. Nice carrying case here. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Looks like some attachments. Get it out of there. That looks like a handy nose hair trimmer attachment. Small trimmer. A foil type trimmer. And a cleaning brush. Might be missing something in here. Something down in there. Alright, there's another guide. Alright, so everything that came inside the box, we have the Braun canvas carrying case and the trimmers, of course. They fit nicely in there. You have another trimmer attachment, different attachments here, a foil trimmer attachment, a small narrow trimmer attachment, nose hair trimmer attachment, cleaning brush. You have your charger, of course, and another wider, it looks like, trimmer attachment, and of course your instructions. All right, there you go. Everything that came with the Braun all-in-one 5 trimmers, the 8-in-1 set.